Namaskar. My name is Sunil Agarwal. I am inventor of the color therapy Agarwal Energy Concept. I am also founder of the Association for Integrative Health and Research. As you know, my organization is always working to find out the simple and the holistic method to treat the complex and complicated nature diseases. Sometimes I use colors to balance the energy of the body. Sometimes I use acupressure points to energize the point or energize the cell. In this context, today I am going to discuss with you how you can treat your eyesight problems or eye problems with the help of the acupressure point, just applying pressure around the eyes. There are certain points in around the eyes which can improve your eyesight and also solve the problems related with the eyes. So just I will express how you have to do it. First, there is a one point. There is a one point. It is very good for the eyesight problem. The eyesight problem may be of any nature. It may be any complicated disease or a simple disease or a normal disease. But don't forget to massage these points. How to massage? That I am explaining. Just put your index finger and rotate this point clockwise and anti-clockwise. About 10 seconds, 30 seconds, you can do the exercise. Now put this finger on the left side and again do the same exercise. You can apply the pressure up and down. This is a very important point for the eyes, and this point is also very good for the relaxation of the brain. When you are feeling tired, your brain is feeling tired, you can push these 2 points. Now I am discuss about this point, second point. One point is here, just the corner of the eyesight. There is one point. You feel there is a pit. This is the bone, and this is the bone. In between this bone, there is a deep pit. This pit, if you massage like this, I am pressing, so you will find your eyesight is getting better. Immediately you can feel the change in your eyesight or any problem with the related with the eyes. Similarly, you can repeat this point this side also. There is a pit. When you apply the pressure with the help of the finger, you will feel that there is a pit. This pit is the correct location of the point that you have to keep in always mind. Now just I am pressing. You can also press this point. Like I am pressing, you always keep on press. Second point, this complete area, this complete area, we call this complete area eye cage, eyeball cage. Complete eye is resting in this area. This area has a connectivity with the complete brain, with the eye nerves, and everything is connected with this. And you have to just simple apply the pressure on the complete eyeball, eye cage. This is the eye cage. You can feel there is a bony structure. There is a bone cage. On the bone cage, you have to just apply the pressure with your index finger or your ring finger. Whatever finger you are comfortable, you can use that finger. I am doing, you have to just repeat that. Each point 10 times you can press. Same thing you can repeat on the left side of the eye. if every day you are doing this exercise, you will find within 2 months or 1 month, all the problem of your eyes is being solved automatically without any medicine, without any pain. You can treat your eyesight issues. Thus, just you apply the pressure, and these are the eye cage. Just on the eye cage, you have to apply the pressure. And there is a one important point. This is a point related with the tipple warmer and the gallbladder. There is one point, it's also related with the gallbladder and the tipple warmer. Gallbladder meridian is also controlling the eyesight because it is a part of the liver, and tipple warmer is also controlling to the eyes because eye complete meridian starting from this point, ending point is here. Ending point is in this area. The tipple warmer meridian is ending, and it is traveling throughout the ears. Anything related with the ears, you can apply the pressure on the back of the ear. For especially I am talking about the eyes, you have to put the pressure on this area and this complete eye cage like this, and one point is this. If you do this exercise daily, you will find your eyesight is improving. Any problem related with the eyes automatically will be cured without any medicine, without anything. You need not to pour any eye drops. Okay, if you are doing exercise, you can see my YouTube channel, subscribe that channel, like that channel, and put your remark over there. If your suggestion is there, it will be great help to me. I will try to improve my videos, or anything special you need with the help of the video. For any type of disease you need a help, you need a its treatment with the help of video, please let me know. I will try to help you, and I will make a video and post the video on your page also. Thank you so much.